The overall goal of this procedure is to measure soil carbon in specific sites or across a field.
This method is based on the application of inelastic neutron scattering, or INS, to soil carbon analysis.
The main advantage of this technique is that it's a non-destructive, in situ method for measuring soil carbon in large volumes of soil.
The analysis of gamma rays created when neutron interact with soil elements allow us to measure soil carbon in upper 10 cm of layers of soil.
This method can be used in stationary mode at one point in the field like a traditional soil sample, or in scanning mode where the average soil carbon for the whole field is measured.
Before working with the INS system, obtain materials for designating a restricted area around the neutron generator. Verify that the neutron generator emergency interrupt button is unobstructed. Check the power level indicator on the battery charger. Recharge the batteries if fewer than 3 red lamps are illuminated. Once the power level is acceptable, turn on the power inverter and the system laptop. Open the data acquisition program. For each detector, check that the DAC high voltage, the DAC offset, and the slow filter energy coefficient match previously defined values.
It is critical for the functionality of the whole INS system that all detectors are operated in the optimal working regime.
Then, position a cesium-137 source within 5 to 15 centimeters of all system detectors. Start acquiring spectra and check the position.